Hi everyone. In this video we will see how to calculate the area and circumference of a circle in Small Basic. This is Microsoft Small Basic editor. First we will input the radius of the circle. When you start writing any command, you can see this pop-up window and you can just scroll down or up and you can choose the required command. In this way the chances of error will become very less. Text window dot write Now when the user will enter a value for the radius of the circle, we have to store it in some variable. I'm just taking the variable radii. You can take any variable. It's just a variable name. A variable name is the memory location in your computer where your data will be saved. Now for storing data, the command is text window dot read. Since the radius is a number, so we will use the read number command. Now we have the radius of the circle. Now we will calculate the area. You can take again any variable for area. I'm just taking area. Area is equal to pi r square. Now what is the formula for the area? This is the formula for the area. Pi multiplied by radius multiplied by radius. Pi r square. Pi is a math value, is a math constant 3.412, and this is the radius of the circle. We will use this formula. So area is equal to pi. Now how we will take the value of the pi? We will use the function math dot pi. Now we will multiply it twice with the radius. Our radius in this is in this variable radii. Again multiply with radius. Okay, now the area is calculated. We will display this area on the screen using the text window objects write line method. Now we will print this area. We are printing two things, one string and one variable. So we will join them or we will concatenate them with a plus sign. After putting the plus sign, write the area variable. When you start writing, you can see your variable name here. You can simply press enter key. Now we will test our program. Enter the radius of a circle. Suppose the radius of the circle is 6 centimeters. So the area of the circle is this much. Now in the same manner, we can calculate the circumference of the circle. The formula for the circumference of the circle is this. 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by radius. This is the formula for the circumference of the circle. For circumference, again you can take any variable. I'm just taking this variable circum. You can take any variable name or you can simply write C. Now circumference is equal to 2 multiplied by pi, which is in the maths.pi. How we will take the pi value? We will take maths.pi. Again we will multiply it with radius. Radius is in this variable radii. We have just stored here. We have taken it from the user. Then we have stored it in this variable. So whenever we need the radius, we will just use this variable. Now we have calculated the circumference. Now we will print the circumference. For printing, I am just copying this command instead of writing again. You can also write if you want to. Now instead of area, I will just replace it with circumference. Now circumference of the circle is in the circum variable. This variable contains the circumference, so we will just print it. When we start writing, it will appear in the pop-up window. Just enter to take it. Now we will test our program. We will enter any value for the radius. So you can see the area of the circle is 78. The circumference of the circle is 31. So like this, we can calculate the area and the circumference of a circle in small basic.